Strike a match. In a single second, the wooden stick you were holding is gone, turned into heat, light, smoke, and a curl of ash that will never be a match again. That is a chemical reaction. One set of substances becoming another. It cooks your food, rusts an iron nail, and powers every cell in your body. Let's meet it 4 times, each time a little deeper. First, the big idea. A reaction turns starting materials, the reactants, into new materials, the products. The match's wood and the oxygen in the air become ash, smoke, and gas. Reactants in, products out. You can tell a reaction happened because the properties change. Something burns, fizzes, shifts color, gives off heat, or forms a solid that wasn't there a moment before. And the new substances are genuinely different. Iron is strong and shiny. The rust it becomes is crumbly and dull. Same atoms, rearranged into something new. Now, how it really works. Here's the crucial part. In a reaction, no atoms are ever created or destroyed, they're only rearranged. Every atom you start with has to end up somewhere in the products. That's the law of conservation of mass. Burn a match inside a sealed jar and weigh it. The mass never changes because the gases that drifted off are still trapped and counted inside. It's why chemists balance equations. 2 molecules of H2 plus 1 O2 make 2 H2O. 4 hydrogens and 2 oxygens on the left. The very same 4 and 2 on the right, just rearranged. Finally, let's go deeper. Rearranging atoms means breaking old bonds and building new ones. Breaking a bond always costs energy. Forming a bond always releases it. When the new bonds release more than the old ones cost, the reaction gives off heat. That's exothermic, like the burning match. When it absorbs more than it gives back, it's endothermic and feels cold. But even a reaction that will release energy won't start on its own. You have to strike the match. Every reaction needs a first push, the activation energy, to break those opening bonds. Add heat or a catalyst that lowers the barrier, and it runs faster. That's why food keeps in a cold fridge but spoils on a warm counter. From a struck match to activation energy. One reaction, understood at 4 depths. Bonds are the noun. Reactions are the verb. Every reaction is just the breaking and reforming of the very ionic and covalent bonds we met before.